Hey folks, Mobile Geezer here with a very quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G.
Let's do this!
So I just picked this up on Friday evening, and those that follow Mobile Geezer on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram have already seen me posting pictures from it. So we'll take a quick look at what's in the box, and this will be a very quick unboxing. So there it is, fully opened up. So let's close it. And where it fits easily in the hand and in my pocket. It has a bit of pep to it also. So that's a good look around. Here you can see our wide and ultra wide cameras with the cover display when it's folded. On the right you have our power button and fingerprint sensor and our volume up and down keys. Up front our selfie camera hole. Up top our microphone. On the left side our SIM tray. And on the bottom our speaker, microphones, and our USB Type-C in. So turning it on for the first time, let's see if we've got power. And we're booting up. I'll get back to you once everything is installed. Gonna need a little practice in learning how to flip this thing open. So there it is in all its glory. Apps are still installing, but that's what it looks like with everything opened up. So folding it back up feels nice and sturdy. And as I said, this was just the first time look, folks. Just to let you know that I had it. Lots more coverage to come. As always, comments are welcome. And thanks for watching.